Hello, world. This is ML, and I am back with another video vlog. But this time, I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on this Weekender bag by Reigns. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the Weekender bag with my own money. Now, on to the unboxing. Okay, all right. Reigns Weekender bag. Kids, you know what it is. Don't play with knives. All right, just a little receipt here. Once again, this is a Weekender bag or weekend bag. However you want to say it, don't matter to me. This is size large, color is black, and the cost is $125, but I pay taxes on it. I pay taxes of $11.10. So the total I paid is $136.10. So the material, it's 100% polyester with polyurethane coating, 8,000 mm as far as water column. The measurement is 29 inches in height, 60 inches in width, 10.6 inches in diameter. So the volume is 47 liters, which I think it's adequate for a 2 to 3 days getaway, even up to 4 days, maybe 5. It depends how you pack your weekend bag. Coated zip closure, single main compartment, webbing compression at each end, detachable, adjustable webbing, shoulder strap, webbing carry straps with handle wrap. This product is designed to withstand light to moderate weather conditions. It's waterproof in a way, sort of. So it comes with 2-year product warranty and a 30-day free returns. Here it is. First impression, the feel to it. It feels up there, like high end up there. Even though it's polyester, it's up there. I think it's a bit large, but it's all good. This is definitely for about 3, 4, 5 days getaway trip. Okay, now it has a embossed reins. Here, let me see if y'all can see that. It's embossed reins on both sides. I don't know if you see that. Yeah. And then on the other side. Oops. The material, the material feels smooth, smooth. Now, this this buckle here, I know it's plastic, but it sort of like feels rubber in a way. Even well, this feels more like rubber. It's like a mixture of leather too, but I know it's not leather. It's smooth. You have rain. Okay. So the sewing, I don't see no flaws to it. Metal. I don't see any loose ends. The bottom, there's no usually some of these duffel bags have like these four buttons, or I don't know what you call that, stoppers, however you want to call it. But this one is straight through, doesn't have those. It's quite large. It's quite large. But it's definitely for 3, 4, 5 days getaway. Let's check out the zipper. Now the zipper, I don't think it's YKK. The zipper teeth could have been, bigger. Yeah, it could have been bigger. The handles, snaps, buttons is good because it's sewn in to one of the handles, which is great. So this is the webbings that they're referring to with one compartment. So the compartment is pretty spacious. Zipper. It has a funny smell to it though. I wouldn't put anything heavy on this, but even though the webbing feels, or the mesh, right? See this? Okay. It only has one compartment, right? Even though this mesh feels durable, I wouldn't, you know, put anything heavy in this compartment. It's pretty spacious. Here's the shoulder strap. Gonna attach it. The buckle, the shoulder strap, and also the zippers and the plastic adjustables. It don't feel cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. Definitely, you could rock this with a suit, with a blazer. You know, it doesn't look sporty at all. It looks more uh, casual to dressy. I'll definitely will take this on a 2 to 3 days trip, but I definitely won't pack it too much. I don't like overpacking duffel bags. For 136 bucks, I think is well worth it. Even the straps, the way it's sewn in, I don't see no flaws. I don't see no threads sticking out. Yeah, so the zippers is done quite well. There are loose threads, but I don't think that has anything to do with the way it was sewn in. I think that's just when you cut the fabrics. Yes, is well done in my opinion. The way they sewed it in, I don't see no flaws, man. This is definitely up there. I mean, it's not high end, but it's up there. It's not a cheap made product. Yeah, so let me see where it's made. Ah, here it is. Made in China. My first impression of the weekend bag, in my opinion, is up there. It's not a low quality brand. It's not a low quality bag. The way it's manufactured or produced is quite well. I didn't see any flaws as far as sewing is concerned. I didn't see any loose threads or flaws as far as sewing. The material that they use, in my opinion, are pretty good. I have to say mid level to up there, It definitely doesn't feel cheap. The material smooth. I believe that this bag will protect your garment, electronics, shoes, whatever you put in there from the outdoor elements. For the price point, I think is about right. But made in China, a Denmark company, I might have to get back to you on that one. Yes, I understand they probably want to produce and save money on production. Nevertheless, it's still a good product, in my opinion. It feels semi luxurious. I'm definitely going to use it. I just can't wait to use it when I travel. So, yeah, if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.